And I can't see Gurudev.
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না বলছি Hare Krishna. Now you could listen now.
Voice, yeah, very nice voice and picture. Thank you so much.
Our beloved Param Gurudev Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj purchased one old building and transferred into Sri Keshavji Gaudiya Math, and it installed by him 1954. And Gurudev Srila Bhakti Vedant Narayan Goswami Maharaj became Math commander. Now this temple in a dilapidated position. We have to knock it down completely and have to rebuild. So Gurudev tried his level best 2003, 2006 and 2008. He make plan everything. Even builder came to build, but our lawyer suggest Gurudev don't do now. Because there are so many shopkeepers were there. Well, when you demolish, shopkeeper will take legal action against you. Then you could not make it anymore. It will be like open land. So by causeless mercy of Gurudev, all shopkeepers, they got defeated lower court, high court and supreme court. Only one remaining. So now we have to rebuild. We supposed to start last year after Gaur Purnim 2020. But due to lockdown, we could not make it. Who supposed to donate big money, their business collapsed due to this pandemic. So now we have to start in this end of this year after Kartik. So I requesting all of you to help financially, because our plan was for 5 years, 2 years almost gone. So within 3 years, you have to complete this. This is Indian law. So to break this and make it new, about $1 million is needed. So if anybody has any question, they can ask me now. And if even someone can ask why help this, this is because this is Gurudev life and soul. Gurudev did his bhajan here from 1954 till his last breath. Moreover, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj installed this. Moreover, the prominent disciple of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, either householder or sannyasis, all prominent sannyasis, they came and stay here. Everybody's feet dust is here. And moreover, one of my Dadu means grandsire, Srila Bhakti Vedant Swami Maharaj, who made revolution of Krishna consciousness all over the world. He took renounce order here and stayed with Gurudev sometime. So for all this reason, if we do that, then Gurudev will be pleased. Srila Bhakti Swami Maharaj will be pleased. Param Gurudev Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami will be pleased. And disciple of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, they will be pleased. All Guru Parampara will be pleased. So if anybody has any question, you can ask now. The 5 year will be finished 24th. So before 24th, you have to complete. Not 23rd. End or beginning of 24th. Because in Indian construction work takes so much time, not like Western country. It takes too much time. Especially when you do interior designer, it takes too much time.
How can devotees donate?
The devotees can donate either PayPal or they can direct their transfer in our trust bank. Small amount they can do PayPal, SATYAR SAMNTA Satta R Samanta @gmail.com. S for sweet, A for apple, T for tree, Y for young, A for apple, R for red, S for sweet, A for apple, M for modern, A for apple, N for new, T for tree, A for apple, and add the rate of gmail.com. There you can do PayPal. A big amount they can direct transfer to our bank.
PayPal or तो GS पर जो PayPal और direct bank
So both allowed.
जे पे ये शतप्रभु जी आईडी तो अपने दिए दीजिए स्कीम में
Okay. Because
started-
according to Indian law, we have to, who is donating to bank, we have to need his legal name, who is sender's legal name and complete postal address. And for PayPal, nothing needed. And big amount better to do in bank. When
And
someone
once-
wants through bank, they can mail me, then I can give bank address, bank details.
Chandra Pranat Guru Maharaj, Satya also told that when one is sending per bank account, one should not write donation as a purpose, because but something else like private or something should not say should not be mentioned donation word. Satya Prabhu told.
Now I
like
have seen about ICICI Bank. Now our bank has changed. No more ICICI Bank. Now new bank, State Bank of India. Because so many terror funding going on through ICICI, other banks. So everybody, the trust who can take foreign donation, foreign currency, they have only account in State Bank of India. So we have new account. No more ICICI.
Yes, like Anupam Prabhu told.
And before transfer, have to contact me through mail or WhatsApp, then I can reply. I'll send to mail the bank details. No more ICICI Bank.
There is any question?
Yes, question is because Anupam Prabhu told me to start one WhatsApp group for extra for funding of Mathura Math. And can we post this PayPal and bank account in that group, or prefer Maharaj not? Also Guru Maharaj prefer that it's going through his email, or shall we post? Can we post this in WhatsApp group?
Whenever they want to donate, they can mail me, then we can see the PayPal, or they can do direct PayPal. Bank account will not show now. When somebody wants to donate, they need bank details, then we'll provide. For small donation, no need bank details.
Okay, so in WhatsApp group we will post only Satya's PayPal account. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
And another question is, what about video?
We'll make video, the old building, how it look like, because when demolish, no more available this temple, the old building. So we'll make video, and when we start demolishing, every week we'll update it for everyone.
এখানে প্রশ্ন আসছে যে এখানে কোনো বিল্ডার্স আছে যে যিনি ডাইরেক্ট পেপাল অ্যাকসেপ্ট করেন?
No, builder will not take direct PayPal.
Because আমরা নিজেরা কাজ করি।
Yeah. Will work by your own, others will be depend on builder. Here builder not like Western country. They will cheat you so much. Then when building construction complete, then have to start again renovation. So we could not trust on building. We have to purchase our own building material, and we have to check the quality, and builder will take care of the like labor contract.
When will the work start?
Huh?
কাজ কবে শুরু হবে?
We'll start in November after Kartik. First we need some fund in our hand, then we'll start.
বলে দিন কি আমরা 15-20 দিনের মধ্যে মডেল যেটা আমরা আমাদের যে প্রেডিকশন আছে যেরকম তৈরি হবে আমরা মডেল শুরু করব।
So within 2 to 3 weeks, we'll present the model. What will be the new building, new temple building, new Kesavji Gaudiya Math. And everybody can they can post this in their WhatsApp group, their chatting group, and all of can then help and raise the fund.
After question, so what is the best way for devotees to collect and raise the funds?
Devotees knows how they will collect. But don't make any pressure. No, you must have to, not like this.
Best আরেকটা যেটা আমরা যে 3D ড্রয়িং আছে না আমরা 3D ভিউ পাঠিয়ে দেব সবার কাছে
So within 2 to 3 weeks, we will send you our 3D picture. What will be the new building or new Keshavji Gaudiya Math. On the base of that, you can do collection.
আরেকটা এসছে কি আমরা কীর্তন করতে পারি তো আমরা বিভিন্ন কালেকশনের জন্য আমরা ইভেন্ট নিজের নিজের সিটিতে এলাকায়
Yes, you can do event in your city, another place to make collection, no problem. Any more question?
Dandavad pronounced, Gurudev. I have a question. Would you, about the book distribution, is it separate to send donation for the book distribution, or do we send it all to Satyagraha?
Book distribution is separate, and this
Okay.
is completely separate.
Okay.
What's this question, Didi?
This is Sudavidasi.
Okay, Didi. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Any more question?
বন্ধ করে দাও আর কি।
ঠিক আছে আমি কথা বলেন
বলো। गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल वंचा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री गुरुदेव की जय, गुरु वर्ग की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, श्री केशवजी गौड़िया मठ रीबिल्डिंग मीटिंग की जय।
ओम विष्णु पद श्री श्रीमद भक्तिवेदांत मध्य गोस्वामी महाराज की जय।
I have now question, yeah.